Hey guys, I updated my EDC. These EDC videos are pretty popular on the internet, so let me show you what I got. Take a look at my waist and everything. Don't see much, right? Let's see what I got on me. I have my wallet, my back pocket. I have my Leatherman Wave in my back pocket. I have my keys in the front. I have a little razor in the front, cigarette lighter. On my left pocket, I usually carry this around my neck. It's a flashlight with some little lanyard on it. What else I got? Oh, and I carry Smith & Wesson Model 60 357 Magnum. And all you safety nuts, yes, it is loaded. How else would you carry it? Thanks, have a good day.